good morning again. I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients from
Canada.
All right, where in Canada are you from?
Alberta.
Alberta, Canada. I can't say I've ever been to Alberta, but we're probably going to head to Canada this winter coming up. I would love to go and ski in Canada. I've never been skiing in Canada.
Oh, you ski in Banff.
That's what I've heard. That's where we're going to go.
Best place.
Yeah, we have some good friends in racing that recommended Banff. All right, so you're here from Canada, not for the sunshine in Florida. Why did you come down to Florida?
I had back pain. And also I had weakness in my left leg. I couldn't walk properly. Mm-hmm. And I guess I had a herniated disc, which caused all this.
That's correct. So you had back pain, you had weakness, numbness, and pain in your left leg.
Right.
And we did your surgery yesterday. You went home an hour after the surgery, back to your hotel with your lovely family, who's now at the zoo, right? And now you're here today for a one-day post-op. And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. And the pain that I did have is gone. What little pain might be just the little surgery that you did, the little pinhole.
That's correct.
And other than that, I still have the weakness.
Yep.
And I still have a little pain in my knee, which
It's probably knee.
I think I injured the knee, and
Yeah.
that'll probably happen to tell a story as as the numbness comes out.
It could be, yeah. You could start feeling that knee joint a little bit more. But, you know, if you can't get help in Canada for your knee, we'd be happy to help you here. We have a knee expert, Dr. Patel. He does stem cells and PRP, which is the newest stuff that works very well. But that's a whole nother story. So you're up walking around on the next day, and your back pain you had before is gone.
Right.
Your leg pain is gone. We still have a residual numbness and weakness, which is going to take 6 months to a year with therapy back home in Canada. What do you think about Florida so far?
Love it.
Good.
It's warmer.
Huh?
It's warmer.
Yeah, it's warmer. And you guys are leaving tomorrow?
Yeah.